Say goodbye to smelly doo-doo.
Hey there folks, this is Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer. Welcome back to a Stoney Ridge quick tips video on how to take care of your septic system. This is a subject we really haven't tackled too much on the channel, but today we're going to tackle that. So today we have what's called Down John. This is not a sponsored video. This is what I do to take care of my septic system here. I live out in the country on 150 acres, and this is what you need to think about when treating your septic system. I will post a link to this down in the video description. Come along today as we show you how to instill this into your toilet. We'll talk about how it all works and how it digests all the grease, grime, bleach, and all kinds of nastiness in your septic system so that it stays fresh, healthy, and doesn't get stinky.
Said if you mess with my freedom, I tell you just what you can kill.
So it's not too often that your local YouTuber comes in and sits you down on the toilet and talks to you about what to do with your poo. But this is important, guys. So this is the annual septic tank treatment. Now, a lot of people will put stuff in on a monthly basis or a bi-monthly basis. This is all in one, an annual septic treatment, and I do love, love, love this product. So this is a revolutionary 3-part treatment for anaerobic septic systems. What it really does is it digests all the grease and grime and all of the nastiness inside your septic system. So the way a septic system is supposed to work is that when you flush the toilet or you use the shower or you use the kitchen sink, all of the water goes into the septic system first through a tube into, I believe, what's called a distribution box and or a septic tank. It goes into the tank and then it starts to digest. The tank fills up, the liquid portion flows out into the leach field. The leach field is where your liquid cess, or out of the cesspool, goes out into the land. So in other words, what happens when I flush the toilet? It goes out, it goes into the septic tank. When the septic tank fills up, it goes into the leach field and it leaches it out into the land. The soil will process this sewage, but first, the septic tank has to be healthy. It has to have the right type of enzymes and bacteria in place in order to digest the grime, grease, poo, pee, toilet paper, hair, grease, anything and everything that goes down into your septic system. Now, you shouldn't be putting grease down in your septic system, but inevitably when we take a shower, we're going to wash the oils off of our body. Hair is going to fall off. It's going to go down the drain. Man manure is going to go down in the toilet, and all that stuff has to digest, and that's why you need to do a septic tank treatment. Now, I'm not advocating that you buy any sort of septic tank treatment, but I do love this. This is once a year and half the cost. That's what it's all about. So this is a 3-day treatment for your septic tank. I hope you guys find this handy. Please pound that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not here. This is a 150-acre farm, just getting started, a first-generation farm dream that I'm following. So, new to Down John. So there's awesome, easy, simple instructions. They're on the box, and you can label when you treated it in case you forget, or you can just do it every year on the 1st of January or the 1st of whatever. So, here's what we've got. Inside here, there are 3 parts. The first part we're going to put in is this charcoal-y type material. It's like carbon, okay? So this goes in and attaches itself to the nastiness that's in here. And then on day 2, and it also has the instructions right here on the box. So day 2, brown liquid. Day 3, white powder, okay? This is day 2. This gets dumped down the toilet on day 2. Set that down. And then this white powder gets dumped down the toilet on day number 3. The way this works is, we'll just read right off of here. Package 1 contains a high surface area carbon-like material that removes household chemicals, bleach, detergents, and soaps that normally kill off septic tank bacteria. It also provides an excellent matrix for improved bacterial growth. That's how a septic system functions on bacteria. Pack 2 is a safe, proprietary bacteria blend that colonizes the tank and provides constant waste digestion. That's what helps prevent the smell of your septic tank. Now, if you already have a septic tank and the thing is full and you need to get it pumped, okay, guys? But if you have problems with your septic tank, this could potentially be the cure. Part 3 Contains a white powder, a high activity enzyme that will dissolve any grease that has built up in the tank. Oftentimes in the office, this is actually the library in the Stoney Ridge Farm. Oftentimes your bacteria will get off in your septic system and cause it to have a smell and or not digest properly, which will cause your leach field to not work properly and cause your septic system to fail, which costs you money. This saves money. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to instill the first package today, and tomorrow and the next day we're going to instill the next package. You probably won't notice a difference unless you have a problem with your septic tank, and then you'll notice a difference. The way that I know I need to treat my septic tank is I walked out my front door the other day and I was like, man, I smell something funky. Something's kind of funky. And what it was my septic tank health needs an update. So we're going to update it. So that's the Stoney Ridge quick tip video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video, this little piece of information. I'll post a link to this product down in the video description for you guys if you want to check one out. If you've got a septic system for yourself, treat it, take care of it. You take care of it, it'll cost you less money in the long run. So if you don't have a septic system, I can't give you any advice besides don't flush grease down the toilet. It's nasty. Guys, thanks a lot. Please pound that like button, jump in, subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this little quick Stoney Ridge quick tips video. Check out some of the other channels, share this stuff with like-minded people, and click that bell icon down there. It'll notify you when I post a new video here on the farm. All right? Woo!